Hey guys, welcome back. It's
Hey,
Pam.
unlock the
And
door.
today we're playing Granny in real life.
Unlock the door.
Hey, Granny. Okay, so we're playing Granny in real life. Let's lock the door. And now let's just spectate.
Can you cried so much you have Hey, I'm Granny. I'm Granny.
Let's escape, quick! Okay, escaping. We're currently escaping. Come on, brother, come on! Granny, you can't leave your yard. And hold on, I have to get shoes on. Hold the camera. Max, hold it. Oh my gosh. Say hi, Granny.
Hey, you'll get this guy to get
Oh.
me.
Ah, he's trying to spank me. Ah. I'm running from him on the streets. Yeah. Let me have it.
I'm coming.
Okay. So they're running off. And I'm actually going to be climbing the tree. And as you can see, a storm's coming in soon. So I want to give you a weather report. Yep, a weather report. I don't know. But, so, the weather report for today, as you can see, there's grayish light blue clouds, which means there's going to be a storm. And you guys may be asking, well, Peyton, how do you know that there's going to be a storm between those two clouds? Well, it's actually pretty easy to tell, and I'm sure I'll be able to help you. So, yeah. But, anyways, so I looked up research on what to do, or like how to know the signs of a tornado. And it says if there's yellow or green clouds, take shelter because there's going to be a tornado or there's more of a chance.
End the video.
Why?
That isn't being it anymore.
No, it's not a granny thing. It was just a video. Okay, so we're entering the territory of a storm. So it's not raining right now, but as you can see, there are dark clouds, and they actually, at like 11, they were like spreading towards here. 11, or close to noon. Hold on. I know, but I'm doing a quick thing right now. So we're entering the territory of a storm. And also, I found out that light blue or grayish clouds, which we have right here, mean a storm, not a tornado. I know you guys are asking, Peyton, there are tornadoes that are light blue or gray. Yes, there are. But most of the time, when they're forming, the color of the clouds are yellow or green. And that was just a quick thing. Back to Granny. See you guys when we get there.